Hello class, today we are going to learn our chapter number 2, more on Windows 10. In this chapter we will learn about the features of Windows 10. Okay, in Windows 10 we just know that it is the most advanced version of Microsoft. It was introduced by Microsoft and released on July 29th, 2015. Okay, features of Windows 10. First is Cortana. It is an enhanced search tool that allows us to explore anything on the web or on our system directly. It also lets us play music, video, set alarms, reminders, emails, and more just by saying it. This is called a voice command feature. This Cortana is a voice command feature. To turn on Cortana, we just have to follow the given steps. First is click on the search box on the taskbar. Next, click on the gear icon. A setting menu will appear in the right pane. Next, turn Cortana on by moving the slider to the right in the settings menu. After it is activated, we can see the icon in the taskbar. Next feature is Windows Store. The store provides plenty of updated applications, videos, music, photos, maps, calendar, and a lot more. We just all can see in this Windows Store. Next is more personal. This is more personal to us. We can use Windows 10 as a personal digital assistant. It provides us many features that lets our phone and device remain sync. It can be connected with each other. Okay. Next topic, type window. This is the window of Windows 10. Okay. Next is continuum. In this you can learn the feature helps the operating system to work with devices that support both mouse and keyboard in touch input. You can also use it in tablet mode. All you have to do is first you have to click on the notification icon, then Action Center pane will open on the right side of the desktop. Click on the tablet mode button at the bottom of the Action Center pane and your function will start. Next is desktop. The term desktop has been derived from the word desktop, which literally means the top of our study table, working table, where we keep all the essentials like pen, stand, notepad, calculator, etc. Similarly, a desktop performs the same function in the Windows operating system, which has pictures known as icons of the important files and applications on the computer. That previously I just shown you a picture of desktop of Windows 10. You can see here some icons are available. These icons, all these icons, what you can see like the materials that are present on the desktop. By touching these icons, you can open that application or folder. Okay. So here, whatever the important applications, the icons are available, you can open. Next is here our taskbar. Taskbar, this is the taskbar of your system. The line at the bottom of the screen that displays various icons is called the taskbar. It also displays a start button on the extreme left corner. Start button here. Okay. The extreme left corner. Next to start is the search button. Here you can see a search button. In this, whatever you want to search, you have to type or you can speak by the Cortana feature. Okay, and you will get that allows you to search applications or files present in the computer and also from the internet. The taskbar has a notification area on the right corner which has a clock and a group of other icons. It also shows other important notifications including network connectivity, battery, status and volume. We are talking about this corner, this one. Okay. In this, all these things are mentioned. Next is managing desktop and Windows in a better way. First is task view. This feature lets you create multiple desktops for different sets of applications.
Snap Assist. It lets you rearrange the windows to make the best use of the screen space. When you snap one of the open windows, Snap Assist shows the thumbnails of other apps that are open. You can snap those in the unused space. Next is Windows Hello. Windows Hello is the another feature of your Windows Hello. This feature uses the face and finger recognition software and lets you access your computer by showing your face, fingerprints, or iris. With this, your system is more secure than ever. And I was telling about the Snap Assist first. Snap Assist means you can open 2 or 3 more windows side by side of multiple applications, okay, for working. Got it? Next was our Windows Hello. In this feature, you have to whatever you want to save as a password, your finger recognition, your face, your iris, whatever, that will open your system. It is a security feature. Okay. Next is how to customize the desktop. It means arranging or changing the settings of your desktop. You can customize and change the color scheme of your desktop according to your wish. Follow these steps to do so. First is right click on the blank area, okay, of your desktop. Blank area wherever on a desktop, just click right side. You have to right click on the blank area of the desktop and select the personalize option. In this, again, next click on the colors option from the left pane. Choose the color of your choice from the choose your accent color section. Next is if you wish to match the desktop wallpaper with your accent color, click on the automatically pick an accent color from the my background option. Okay, next is turn on the show color to start taskbar, action center and title bar to apply the same color. To apply transparent effect, turn on the make start taskbar and action center transparent option. The color scheme will be applied to your desktop. Next is how to display multiple windows. How you are going to display 2 windows side by side. Here you can see 2 windows are there on the desktop. So for this we have to follow the given steps. First is to open Word and PowerPoint, means you can open any 2 applications. Here they had opened Word and PowerPoint. Fine. Next is right click anywhere on the blank portion of the taskbar. Go to the shortcut menu and click on the show windows side by side option. Both the app windows will be displayed side by side like this. You can see 1 and 2, both windows are here. Next is changing date and time. You can set date and time of the computer by following the given steps. Okay. First is go to control panel and click on the date and time options. The date and time dialog box will appear. Select the current day in the calendar using the forward or backward arrows buttons. You can change the month. The date will be set. To change the time, select the hour in the text box located just below the clock. Click on the spin arrows to set the arrow change the minutes and seconds in the same manner. Click OK in the end to apply all the changes. Whatever changes you have done, that will be displayed in your watch. First tips, here the tips given for the parents. Help your child to understand the interface of the Windows 10, which comes with many new features. It means if you are having Windows 10 installed at your home in your desktop, you can see all the features in a practical menu. Okay. Next is how to change the mouse settings. We can change mouse settings. First is we can customize this thing with the selected part, whatever we want to change in the mouse settings. For this we have to follow the given steps. According to our need and comfort, we can change our mouse settings. So first is to go to the control panel and select the hardware and sound options. You will find mouse option under devices and printers tab. After selecting mouse option, mouse properties dialog box will appear. Under the button configuration section, select the checkbox to make use of the right button for selecting and dragging functions. Under the double click speed section, you can alter the double click speed of your mouse by dragging the slider towards left or right. Click on the pointers tab to change the size, color and shape of your mouse pointer. To change the pointer image, choose any mouse pointer scheme by clicking the same drop down list. Click on the pointer options tab. Drag the speed slider present in the motion section to change the speed of the mouse pointer. Click on the apply button to incorporate all the changes whatever you have done, and that will done. Did you know Windows 10 comes with a Cortana feature which allows you to search anything by just saying it to your computer. Here the last point is exploring the pictures. How you are going to search or explore the pictures that you have already stored on your desktop. For this, you have to follow the given steps. You can store photos, image and graphics files in the pictures folder of your computer. And when you want to explore, you have to go to this PC, look for the picture folder and open it. You will find two folders there, camera roll and saved pictures. Pictures will be displayed in these folders according to the source. Open any of these folders. Double click to open any picture. You can edit and manage pictures by various buttons at the top right corner of your Windows. These all are the basic features of your Windows 10, that for the settings how you are going to change mouse configuration and date and time, color scheme. This we have learned in this chapter. Okay, these all are the basic features that we can do with our system. Hope you all have understood the chapter. Thank you, class.